Fong is based on the concept of ESG sustainable development, introducing green design and intelligent mechanical thinking of green products step by step to develop more economical, more efficient, and higher value-added products. The frame structure can enhance current existing rigidity and intensity through FEM to reduce redundant materials appropriately to achieve lightweight, material saving, and energy consumption reduction. Besides from meet the domestic power pressing and shearing machinery type verification, also meet different regulatory requirements like CE of the EU and UL of the US. Equipped with an energy-saving device to recycle and reuse the regenerative current during operation, which can reduce the power loss of the equipment by about 30% and effectively recycle and reuse energy. Carries with ADC automatic die changing system. Uses the automatic die changing moving bolster Fong develop and gets through RFID die identification appliance to save time when customers' production lines changing dies to meet needs of automatic production and enhance production efficiency. Carries with iForming smart forming productivity management system Fong developed and collocates with a failure prediction, health management PHM, and various sensors to provide customers with health management of equipment. Not only presents visual management of equipment, but can also carry out preventive maintenance prompts and fault warnings through big data analysis to manage health status in real time, to prolong equipment usage life. Remote dispatch through tablet. Press adjusts parameters automatically by information of dispatch. RFID reading mold confirmation and ADC function. This product can carry with iForming Smart Forming Productivity Management System and PHM failure prediction and health management to do health management in daily operations. Through big data analysis and visual management to understand health status in real time. Can also carry out preventive maintenance prompts and fault warnings to prolong equipment usage life. Equipment energy consumption. Real-time collection of electricity consumption data through sensors to automatically calculate equipment energy consumption and quickly assist enterprises in energy management and energy saving improvement through presented charts. Carbon footprint billboard. Through energy consumption management and dispatch management, it is possible to quickly evaluate the carbon emission per unit of the product under the current process and to compare the carbon emission of different products or dispatch orders through the visual billboards as a reference for process improvement or equipment parameter adjustment. Greenhouse gas interrogate and examine billboard based on the customer's factory equipment configuration. Monitor the use of oil, electricity, water, and gas in the entire factory and conduct real-time monitoring and analysis. Accurately control greenhouse gas emissions and assist customers to further save resources and reduce carbon emissions. PHM prediction and health management billboard, based on the big data collected from the operation of the machine. Use data analysis and AI prediction technology to predict equipment health and maintenance needs in advance. Reduce unexpected downtime, reduce maintenance costs, improve equipment use efficiency, and ensure the safe operation of equipment. Production efficiency billboard provides a convenient tool for production managers to quickly understand production efficiency, plan completion rate, equipment OEE, hourly production volume, and production trends of the day. Whole factory production activities billboard. Integrate the machine networking system with the production management billboard so that managers can understand the production activities of the whole factory more intuitively, quickly discover production bottlenecks, Implement targeted production optimization, eliminate various wastes in each production process, and realize optimized cost savings for the enterprise.